every 10 years, we lose 10% of our muscle mass, whether it's male or female.
Hi, welcome to the third episode of Chew on This by Flax. Today we have with us Madhuri Sharma, an ex-model. She was Mrs. India 2015, Mrs. Earth 2016, a certified nutritionist. So happy to have you today, Madhuri. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Well, I look at you in the gym every morning and I'm like, how the hell do you look like this? As a certified nutritionist, can you tell us some things that as women we can start off earlier as habits that will, lead us into a more graceful aging process in the future?
So, one is weight train, weight train, weight train. Next, to balance your weight training is protein, protein, protein. So, I have the 30-33 rule, which is 30 grams of protein in the morning, then 30 grams of fiber all through your day, and 3 fermented foods for your gut. And drink a lot of water to digest all the protein. Have protein at every meal. Sleep is very important. 7 to 8 hours of good, restful, deep sleep.
I think we spoke earlier and you mentioned, your gut has to be happy. You need to have fermented foods. Can you lead us a little from there?
So if you've not got a good gut, you're not going to assimilate that food. So you need to make sure that your gut is good. So for that, you need to have a lot of fermented food. You need to have your prebiotics, your probiotics. So your fermented food, in Indian food itself, there's a lot of fermented food. You needn't look at all this fancy kombucha and kefir. And that's great when you're traveling and it's local. Eat local, be local, eat seasonally. You can have your kanji, you can have your buttermilk, you can have your oil-free pickles. Right now, it's excellent in this weather to have your amba, haldi and ginger and put a bit of pepper in it, and it's fantastic to have with a little lime.
Can you tell us a little bit about how the female body changes every decade and what goes on and how can we adapt to every change that comes our way?
Every 10 years, we lose 10% of our muscle mass, whether it's male or female. So if you're not working out, I mean, you can imagine your muscles. You'll have muscle atrophy. You can see older people with sagging skin and sagging muscles. So you need to weight train the older you get. It's very, very imperative that you weight train. And to balance that, when you're tearing your muscle, you need to feed it properly. So feed it protein. So protein is what I really, really stress on. Your hair, your skin, your muscle, everything, the building block is protein.
Can you give us 3 pieces of advice for women in their 20s, women in their 30s and women in their 40s?
So women in your 20s, please do not take coffee as a meal. Coffee doesn't substitute your breakfast, your lunch, your snack. Please eat real food. In your 30s, your hormones are shifting, so make sure that you're feeding it a good source of fiber because any extra hormone that is there also gets flushed out. Make sure you give a good source of fat. In your 40s, your muscle mass is really depleting. So please make sure you weight train to supplement that. You need to have protein.
Yes, coffee is not a meal. I completely agree with you. Creates havoc later on. Madhuri, if you had to spend a day eating only flax food, what would your day's menu look like?
Start off by having a protein, my first thing in the morning with my breakfast, and an avocado toast because that's a great source of fat and a good source of carbs. And then for lunch, I would have probably a wrap with any kind of protein. I think they have chicken, they have soy, they have paneer. They have a great choice of protein and with some veggies. For snack, I think a little bar with nuts and seeds is great. And, for dinner, you could have any of their warm bowls. They have fantastic bowls with grains, with veggies and with protein. It's a great combination.
Okay, great. So any last piece of advice? One, bomb drop at the end.
So eat fresh, eat wholesome, eat local, eat seasonal and eat a rainbow for your gut.